God bless you. My name is Pastor Harris Kakalides, and you're watching and hearing the program Getting to Know Jesus. Matthew chapter 2, verse 1 states, Now when Jesus was born in Bethlehem of Judea, in the days of Herod the king, behold, wise men came from the east to Jerusalem. Liberal scholars state Jesus was not born in Bethlehem, but Nazareth, which is a Unitarian belief. It is no doubt many of these scholars are Unitarians. The reason for this is because if they can take away Jesus' birthplace, then the prophecy of Micah 5 verse 2, which was written 740 years before Christ, would be mocked at. And the Bible would not be a book written by holy men moved by God's Spirit, but a book of lies. Micah chapter 5 verse 2 states, And you, Bethlehem Ephrathah, you being the least among the thousands of Judah, out of you he shall come forth to me, to become ruler in Israel. He whose going forth have been from of old, and from days of eternity. Bethlehem is not only mentioned in Matthew Gospel, but Luke as well. Luke chapter 2, verse 4. And Joseph also went up from Galilee to be taxed out of the city of Nazareth into Judea to the city of David, which is called Bethlehem, because he was of the house and family line of David. And in the scriptures, we read that the testimonies of two or three witnesses is valid. Matthew was a disciple of Jesus who knew Jesus. Luke was a doctor who got his information from them who saw this event. Luke chapter 1 verses 1 through 3 states, Since many took in hand to draw up an account concerning the matters which have been borne out among us, even as those who from the beginning delivered to us, becoming eyewitness and ministers of the word, it seems good to me also, following all things accurately from the very first, to write to you in order, most excellent Theophilus. Matthew, Luke, Micah, and God. In this case, there is more witnesses to the claim of Jesus being born in Bethlehem than there is of any other place. Jesus was raised in Nazareth. Like a person who is born in New York but raised in Philadelphia could say, I am from Philadelphia. Matthew shows Jesus born in Bethlehem and raised in Nazareth. This is why when Jesus was on the cross, they wrote Jesus of Nazareth over his head, John 19 verse 19. And Pilate wrote a title and put it on the cross, and the writing was Jesus of Nazareth, King of the Jews. And it was not because he was born in Nazareth, but because he was raised in Nazareth and he was in that city growing up. That is why it says Jesus of Nazareth, not because he was born of Nazareth. Understood? God bless you. My name is Pastor Iris Kalides. I'll see you next program. Getting to Know Jesus. Bye.